Hi, it's me again with the CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody asked a question on Facebook, and somebody already helped them, and then I sent them a video that I did a long time ago on a stitch. But while I was watching my own video, I started thinking about that was really just for marking the stitch. If you actually wanted to cut out the stitch, so we've got a circle here, 12-inch circle. We're going to Control D and make a duplicate. Holding down the Shift key, we're going to bring it in. So let's say that's where we want our stitch to be. First of all, we're going to go and hit F12 on your keyboard and bring up your pin docker. And we're going to make it whatever thickness you think you need the stitch to be. There we go. And so there's your line thickness. But then we need to go, I didn't mean to close it down, F12, and go right here to Style, and then pick whatever stitch you want to pick. Those are probably too close together. So let's pick another one. This may be further apart. Now, in this case, they're not perfect because, well, I didn't mean to do that either. You can see that let me see if I can get that same stitch back. That top one is bigger than the rest of them. So what you can do is hit F12 again and go right here to fix dashes and look at them now. They're all the same. Now, that will not cut out. But because that is a line thickness, we need to go to Object, convert it to an outline, and then go up left click, right click, and make sure it's a hairline. I'm still using somebody else's Corel that they draw in 0.01. That would cut out. And let's even go a little further. Let's back up here and let's hit F12 on the keyboard and let's give it round end caps. Maybe that won't work on a dash line. It should work. No, it's not going to work. I was thinking, and you could do that. But anyway, and then if you just follow the steps and convert it to the outline to an object, I didn't click on anything. Left click, right click, and make sure it's a hairline so it'll cut. So that would cut out and put stitches. Now there's more. They actually said on Facebook, make your own pattern. Same thing with this. I just created this real quick and Control D and make a duplicate. Now, watch what happens when I bring it in holding down the shape tool. It doesn't do it perfectly, and that's why I decided to do the video. We want to go now to Effects and Contour. We want to contour the inside, let's say 1/4 of an inch. That gives us a perfect pattern. Now go to Object, break the contour apart, click on your smaller line, hit F12. Let's go to that same 0.1 and let's go to that same stitch, if we can find it. And you can make your own stitches. Now you can see they're not perfect either, but we can go right here to fix. Now, whether you like that or not, you can kind of look at different stitches and you can alter, these stitches. That's still not perfect. That's more perfectly spaced. I just don't like the way it is. But that would work. And then the same thing, go to Object, convert the outline to an object, left click, right click, and that would cut it out. Now you wouldn't want to probably have that, but you could fix that. We could fix that with if your lines didn't have to be perfect, you could take a 2-point line and just go like down to there, cut that away, and see now you got a better stitch. This one, I don't know what you do. Maybe you do something like this. Now, when you do this, The smartest thing to do, because these are separate lines, is take your Smart Fill tool, fill that in and nudge it over. And then when you left click, right click, it'll be those lines. And what I mean by separate lines, look at, see this, it's left my little bitty cut lines, where this, all the lines are equal. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. And thank you for watching.